So, like I said, I never even told my parents. I never even told so many people. They don't see me as a strong man, normal man. You know, part of leadership is for you not to frighten your supporters. Because if your supporters know that things are wrong, then they begin to behave anyhow. So I have to keep it to myself. Then the transition, you know, one must thank God that I succeeded, or we succeeded in having a smooth transition. None of you, most people don't know what happened and why I must continue to appreciate and thank God. Ask my colleagues how they feel that their choice or their party candidates didn't make it as their successors. How they feel. When I read on pages of newspapers, even those who have not been sworn in, just governor-elect, they started tormenting their outgoing predecessor. They have not been sworn in. They are just answering governor-elect. You can imagine that and see where I am. Nobody is tormenting me. Not that even if you are tormented, you cannot defend yourself. But that's not the point. The point is that having that calm mind, having that after these 8 years, that you will still have another problem, is something that you must thank God. But my own was very clear. The gang up from up to down. In our state here, we all agreed, I paid for every form. I paid. Nobody will say as he paid for any form to run for governorship. Nobody will say so. Nobody will say that he paid 1 naira to buy for House of Reps form. Nobody will say he paid 1 naira to buy assembly form. Nobody will say he paid 1 naira to buy Senate form. They're all here. They're all here. They didn't say so. I paid. But in our team, we agreed that, look, we know that in this election we are going in, we are going to face federal government. That is Senate presidents, their party. So it is better we work as a team and not to divide ourselves. They all agreed. That's why you see in the House of Assembly, only 1 form. In the Senate, only 1 form. Each of the senatorial districts is one form. So nobody will say that you spend money to run for primaries. No. We said, look, we'll do so that we won't have anything called pre-election cases and the rest. And everybody agreed. The governorship forms, which I paid for, the elders met. O.C. Jokoja, SN, he was one who drafted the agreement. I think O.C. is here. I saw him here. I think O.C. is here. He drafted the agreement where everybody signed that the moment the elders choose one person that they are going to support, all of them signed. Now when somebody was choosing, come and see gang up. Come and see gang up. They all moved to Abuja. Started plotting how I will be arrested when they win at the national level. I say, God, you are the one that is in charge. But now God may have it. Left, I won. Right, I won. Center, I won. So I told them, now I remain in Abuja permanently. See, all evil plots against me all failed. all failed. So why wouldn't I thank God? Why wouldn't I appreciate God? Some of you who are close to me were worried. Say, well, what are we going to do? Even some of those whom I told how to operate, they said, this kind of risk our guy is taking. It's a very big risk. We are finished. We are finished. I said, don't worry, have faith. You will not be finished. Know how we started this since from 2014, 2015. So why do you think now that God will abandon us? And God never abandoned us.